Medical first in Canada we want to talk to you about this morning. Groundbreaking surgery, a procedure to reduce the scars left behind by surgery. It's a cosmetic technique and it's already changed the life of one Montreal toddler. Kristen Falco has the story this morning.
Say hi, everybody.
You'd never know this toddler had a tumor removed from his face only 5 days ago. His parents are breathing a sigh of relief.
We were very relieved that he wouldn't have that permanent scar for the rest of his life.
18-month-old Jaden Cambridge was born with a benign tumor in the middle of his forehead. Surgeons usually cut it right out, leaving behind a visible scar. But Montreal doctors decided to use a technique never used in this way before in Canada. Dr Fanous was asked by the Children's Hospital to perform the surgery because he had done similar techniques on adults during facelifts. A tiny incision is made above the hairline. Then a tunnel is cut in the face to the tumor using a camera and special instruments. Then the lump is removed. A technique infrequently performed in the U.S. because of the risks.
The surgeon has to be very careful going underneath and in between all the nerves and muscles of the face. You could hurt the movement of the face, you could hurt the feeling of the face, and you could actually paralyze the face.
Not only was this the first time doctors were performing this procedure in Canada, once the surgery began, they realized it was much more complicated than they had expected.
We could not find the tumor. The tumor was completely buried into bone. Slowly we opened that lid and the tumor came out very nicely after that.
This is Jaden, only 3 days after the surgery.
We couldn't be more thrilled about the way it turned out. He was 2 hours later after the surgery. He was playing. He was himself. He was really he was Jaden.
I think this is the way to the future.
With about a dozen cases of facial tumors seen on children at the hospital each year, Fanous hopes every child will have the same positive outcome. Kristen Falco, CBC News, Montreal.